Hello everyone, welcome back to 𝗙𝗵𝘁. In today's video, I will be showing you how to convert a PowerPoint to PDF. There are many ways to convert a PowerPoint to PDF. PDF is a great way to share your presentation online with other people. And also, if you're going to be presenting to other people and you don't want them to have access to edit your document or the text that you have on the PowerPoint, PDF is the great way to present those documents to them as well, and making sure no one have access, to edit what you have inside your document. So let's dive into PowerPoint, and I will be showing you different ways to achieve this. So here is our PowerPoint that we have today. When we look at this PowerPoint, there's different slides that we have on this PowerPoint. The first thing we want to do is we want to go to File, click on the File, and under File we want to click on Export. Under the Export we see different options there, but the one we will be using is Create PDF / SPS document. So click on this. Now once you click on this, click on Create PDF / SPL. It gives us option on where we can save the PDF, and we need to change the file name. Let me save this as a training. We see different options regarding the optimization. We have standard publishing. So if you choose standard publishing, this is going to be a top quality, but it's going to take a lot of space on our computer. And the second option is minimize size. When we choose on the minimize size, this is going to be lower quality, and also the file size is going to be lower for us as well. So you can choose quality as needed on this file based on your need. And apart from that, when we look down, we see option. Let's click on option. In this option, we have opportunity to do a lot of things and customize the PowerPoint the way we want. In this PowerPoint, we have 6 different slides. When we click on all, this means it's going to save all the 6 slides that we have in the PowerPoint. And we have different options, which is current slide. So when we choose current slide, right now we see we only have cover page open. So when we choose the current slide, this is going to save only the cover page for us. For example, you just want to convert slide 3 or slide 4, click on that slide and select the current slide. We have option where it says selection. What selection does for us, if you want to convert maybe slide 1, 3, and 6, we want to go back to our slide, press Ctrl key, press the slide that you want, number 1, press number 3, and also number 6. So this gives us 3 out of 6 slides that we have. So when we go back to export, so the selection means only these 3 slides that we selected will be converted to PDF. Another thing we have slides. When we click on slides, we can see from here, we see from and to, so we can choose convert from slide 2 to 6. The only difference between this and the selection, if you choose slide, on this slide we won't be able to select a particular number that we want. But if you really want to select the particular number you want, maybe number 4 and 5, or number 4, number 6, and number 1, you need to go and use the selection. Another option is under the publish. There are different ways to publish this as well. So when you click on this publish words, we have a slide, publish as a slide. It's going to give us PDF as a slide, whereby we have different slides in each page, as we can see on this page right now. And the second option, we have a handout. When we click on handout, on the right side we can see we can select how many slides per page we want. Right now we have 6 slides on this PowerPoint. So if you want only 4 slides to be on the page, we can select that as needed. And we can also change from horizontal to vertical if you want this, or if you want the horizontal. Let me put the 6 that we have on one page and show you how this is going to look like. Here is having 6 slides on one page. This allows us to convert to PDF as handout, and right now you see we have 6 different slides on one page on this. Another option we have is a note page. We can also click on a note page to convert as a PDF. There are many options for us to use. So on this note page, if we use note page, we're going to have all the notes that we have on the PowerPoint under each slide. Is going to show with the PDF. As you see, we have the cover page here, and we also have the notes that we have on the second page and also the third page as needed on this one. And lastly, what we have here, we have outline views. So these are different options that we have that you can use when you are converting your PowerPoint to PDF. And apart from that, we also have different options like including non-print information and PDF option as well. You can explore as needed. Let me convert all the page into PDF so that we can move forward with the tutorial. On the publish what, I'm selecting all the sliders. So pressing OK, publish on this one. This is the first option, how we can convert our PowerPoint into a PDF. Another option that we can use, click on File, click on Save As. Under this option, click the drop down and you can click on Save as PDF right here. So when you click on that, what if we want to go to all the options where we'll be able to select the page we want and everything? To do that, click on More Options, and when you click on the option, this opens the option box for you where you can put all the options that is needed. Lastly, the third option is to click on the file, click on Print, and on this print you can see you can select any printer that you have. So click Print to PDF. Once you select that, you see there's different option as well, whereby you can print selected page, or you can either current page, or you can select page that you want, let's say 2 and 3 or 1 and 6. So you can do that and you can do customize as well. These are the ways that you can convert your PowerPoint into PDF. You can easily send from the PowerPoint, attach it to your email and share with your manager or with anyone. So you can do that. So let me show you how you're going to do it. On the ribbon tab, right click on this ribbon tab, click on Show Quick Access Toolbar. Once you have this access toolbar, right click on it, and here you want to go to customize the ribbon. This is going to open PowerPoint option for you. Click on Quick Access Toolbar. Under Choose Command, you want to choose All Commands. Scroll down until you find Email to PDF. This is in alphabetical order, and you can easily find it. Since we know we are looking for E, we can easily go to E and find what we are looking for. We are on email as attachment, so click on this and add it into this bar and click OK. We can see right now we have the attachment here in the access toolbar. So click on the attachment, and this is going to open a new email that's already attached your PowerPoint as a PDF. This is the easiest way you can share your PowerPoint as a PDF with your manager or with anyone that you need to share it with. There are tons of ways to convert your PowerPoint into PDF. I've just shown you 3 ways that you can use, and also a bonus one, the email, converting your PowerPoint into PDF. These are the ways that you can easily use. If you have your favorite way that you convert your PowerPoint to PDF, put it in comment section below. Let's exchange ideas. Thank you so much for staying with me today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the share button so that you will be informed whenever I upload a video. Thank you and have a great day.